efficient, eco-friendly, and a model for future urban development. Imagine AI revolutionizing transportation systems, making them more efficient and sustainable. Autonomous electric vehicles and smart traffic management could drastically reduce emissions. Imagine AI powering a circular economy that eliminates waste. By optimizing recycling processes and reducing resource consumption, AI can help create zero-waste communities.
AI can help us create a world where economic growth and environmental sustainability go hand in hand. It can drive innovation in green technologies and sustainable practices. It can help us decouple economic activity from resource consumption and pollution. This means we can grow our economies without depleting natural resources or harming the environment. This is the promise of a green and sustainable future powered by AI. A future where technology and nature coexist harmoniously.
However, we must proceed with caution. The power of AI comes with great responsibility. As with any powerful technology, AI must be developed and deployed responsibly. We need to ensure that it serves the greater good and does not cause harm. We must ensure that AI is used ethically and for the benefit of all. This means considering the social, economic, and environmental impacts of AI technologies.
Section 5, Our Collective Responsibility, a Call to Action. The climate crisis is a global challenge that requires a global response. It is not just the responsibility of governments or large corporations, but of every individual on this planet. Each one of us has a role to play in combating this crisis. We must all do our part to create a sustainable future. Simple actions like planting trees or participating in community cleanups can have a significant impact when done collectively. We can make conscious choices to reduce our environmental footprint. This includes using reusable bags, cycling instead of driving, and supporting local farmers' markets. We can support businesses and organizations that prioritize sustainability. By choosing to shop at zero-waste stores and investing in renewable energy sources like solar panels, we can drive change. We can advocate for policies that promote environmental protection. Signing petitions, joining rallies, and voting for leaders who prioritize the environment are powerful ways to make our voices heard. We must also demand that AI is developed and used responsibly. As AI becomes more integrated into our lives, it is crucial that it is aligned with ethical standards and environmental goals. We need to ensure that AI is aligned with our values and priorities. This means having open discussions and setting guidelines that reflect our collective vision for a sustainable future. We must work together to shape a future where AI is a force for good in the world. Collaboration and innovation are key to harnessing AI's potential for positive change. The time for action is now. We cannot afford to wait any longer. Every moment counts in our fight against climate change. Let us embrace the power of AI and work together to heal our planet and create a sustainable future for all. By combining technology with our collective will, we can achieve remarkable things. Let us be the generation that solves the climate crisis and leaves behind a healthy planet for future generations. Our actions today will determine the world our children inherit. Let's make it a world worth living in.